Hi everyone, it's Jude here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to manually install WordPress to your domain name using Hostinger. Okay, to do this is very simple. You simply need to log into your Hostinger HPanel dashboard. Once you are here, go ahead and click on websites and go ahead and click on add website and choose see all options. Okay, now from here, I'm going to click on this. I will create a website and I'll click on next. Okay, now since we want to manually install WordPress, what we need to do is to click on skip. Okay, now go ahead and enter your domain name. This domain name is not registered with Hostinger. I have this on a different registrar. Okay, if that is the case for you, you need to change the name servers of your domain name to that of Hostinger. You need to do that and wait for a couple of hours for that to reflect on Hostinger. Okay, the Hostinger name servers are ns1.dns-parking.com and ns2.dns-parking.com. So go ahead and change the name servers. Once you have done that, come here and click on registered, confirm ownership, and I will click on next. Now this domain will be added to my Hostinger account. Now while that is going on, you need to download WordPress. Okay, search for WordPress download and go to this particular page that says download WordPress, wordpress.org. Okay, so go to that page and click on download WordPress. Okay, download WordPress. I have already done that, as you can see here. So guys, the domain name has successfully been added. As you can see, this is the domain name. I will go to dashboard and I will go to manage and I will click on this and I will go to this particular domain, which is what we recently added. Okay, so go to the domain name. As you can see, we have it here. Now click on file manager. All right, this will bring you to this particular page. Go ahead and click on public_HTML. Okay, as you can see, this is empty. We need to upload the WordPress file we just downloaded to this particular page. Okay, so go ahead and click on upload here and choose the file, which is this. Then I'll click on open. Now this will be uploaded to the server. While this is going on, we need to create a database. Simply go to databases here, click on databases, and from here you need to give your database a name. Give your database a name and choose a username. Okay, and go ahead and enter a password for this user. Okay, once you have entered your password, click on create. So guys, as you can see here, the database has successfully been created and this is the user. The next thing we need to do is to check if the file, okay, WordPress has been uploaded to the server. We need to extract this file. Click on it, right click and go to extract. Okay, now once you are here, you need to enter a folder where you want WordPress to be installed, and I'm going to enter, let's see, 2. All right, I'll just put it like this and then I'll click on extract. So the WordPress file has been extracted to this particular folder. However, I want to install this WordPress to the root of this particular site. If you want to install WordPress to, let's say, a different directory, you can simply go ahead and rename this. Okay, I can rename this to whatever. I can rename this to guides, and I'll just click on rename. But since I want to install this in the root, I'll simply click on this and I'll click on this and I'm going to select all of the files that we have here. I need to move these files. To the public_HTML folder, which is the root. Okay, so I'm going to click on move and all of the files have been moved to this particular space. All right, so I'll go ahead and delete this. I will also delete this. We don't need this anymore. And if you want, you can also delete these 2 files, license.txt and readme.html. Okay. The next thing we need to do is to rename the wp-config-sample.php file. Okay. Click on it and right click. Click on rename. Rename this to wp-config.php. I'll click on rename. Now, once you have done that, the next thing you need to do is to modify this file. I will right click on it and I will click on edit. Now, once you are here, you need to copy the database name we created and paste it here. After that, copy the database username and paste it here. And then finally enter the password of the user that you created. Enter it here. Okay, so I will simply go to the database dashboard here, and I'm going to copy the name, which is this. Okay, copy this, and I will paste it here. Once you have done that, go ahead and copy the user, and I'll paste that here. Next, you need to enter the password that you created. Now, once you have done that, click on the save icon here, and this would be saved. Okay, so we have successfully created a database and connected the WordPress to the database. We need to go to your domain name, go to your domain name /wp-admin/install.php. Okay, so go to this particular URL and enter. All right, this will bring you to this particular interface. So go ahead and choose your preferred language. I'm going to go with English. I'm going to click on continue, and from here you can enter a title for your new website. I'm going to call this Hero Keys, and you have the option to enter a username. This will allow you to log in to your WordPress site. Okay, I'm going to choose this. So go ahead and create a password. For security reasons, you need to create a very strong password. Okay, all right, once you have created your password, simply go ahead and enter your email address. This will be your admin email address. Okay, you can choose Gmail, or if you want to create a custom email for your website, simply go to the dashboard and navigate to where it says free email. Okay, click on setup and create email for the new website. So I will simply go ahead and enter my email, which is this, and after that, click on install, and WordPress will be installed to your domain. As you can see, we have manually installed WordPress. The next thing you want to do here is to log into your WordPress dashboard. I'll click on login, and I will enter my username and the password I created initially. And once you are done, click on login, and this will log me into my WordPress dashboard. Now from here, you can go ahead and choose to create new posts, create new pages, install a new theme, and install your favorite plugins. Okay, if you would like me to show you how to set up your WordPress site, like install and configure your theme, then go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section. Okay, and guys, that is how you can manually install WordPress in Hostinger. And that is it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, smash the subscribe button. Until next time, goodbye.